this is a typical welding bay. We've done a lot of leaning, or the 5S, all that come from the Toyota production system. As you can see, it's very clean. We make sure everything is clean, because when it's clean, the operator can work much faster, and we can deliver our promise, which is reliability, to our customer. So as you can see, everything is nice and tidy. Tools, there's not more tools than required, but on the other hand, there's just enough of them. So an example would be the grinders. We don't have one grinder and where the operator has to change the discs. We have 3 different grinders with different discs on them already. So it saves time. So if they need just to cut something, they just grab hold of this grinder. And as you can see, it's on a retractable extension lead. So there are no leads tangled around, causing a health and safety issue. And so that the operator has the freedom of movement, we have our welding machines on like a boom, so they can move it inside and outside, left and right, accordingly to where they need it. And to make it easier, because obviously steel is heavy, we have overhead cranes so that we can lift and maneuver the steel around. So obviously up, down, left and right. The steel itself is moved into a welding bay on trolleys. So at the moment they in and out, but it has been designed in a way that we will have one directional flow. So the steel comes in one end and goes straight through to the next processes further on.